But maybe I just go to Cebu. Because my tata just go there with...
Okay, so let's proceed. So we usually think of AM activities as being in the morning, right? Even when it's so early, it's still dark out. Some people labubu, okay, yeah. Do you love labubu?
Yes, but it's a kind of horror.
Are you afraid of the labubus?
They're literally legging.
Yes. Kids love that.
But it's horror.
But they love that. How about you? You say you love that, right?
Yes,
You're
but
afraid.
yes, because I saw on TikTok that a man holding two labubus that face turns into like Chucky.
Maybe it was just an effect or a filter.
No, it's real. I saw it.
Isn't it edited?
Huh?
Maybe it's edited.
What is
They know how
edited?
to edit.
It was not edit. I didn't saw edit.
They didn't want you to see the edit. They want people to think that it's real.
But I also saw someone there outside holding a labubu and they didn't see that it turned into like Annabelle's face.
Oh, so it's kind of scary.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Shall we proceed?
Yes.
Okay, so we usually think of AM activities as being in the morning. No, some people they jog even though it's still 12 o'clock in 12 a.m.
Oh.
They jog, they walk around, and we write AM or PM after that time. Like the last time. What did you do last time?
Jogging. We exercise, but when I'm going home, I want to ride in my dad's back as my feet it's now have no energy. I was still kinder,
How many minutes did you jog? How many hours?
like in 1 hour.
Really?
Yes. We start
That's why you get.
at the midnight.
And then,
I was
what time was it when you started jogging?
12.
Oh, are you not scared?
Well, I saw some people jog.
Okay, that's good. It's good to your health that you are exercising.
Well, I
Okay,
was
right?
too sleepy.
Yes.
I was-
Again, what is that?
I was too sleepy
But why did you go with your daddy when you're still sleepy?
because my mom wasn't pregnant yet.
Oh, okay, that's good. At least it's a family bonding also. Exercising can also be a family bonding. Alright? We write AM like this one. 8:30 AM. When we say 8:30 AM, what does it mean?
8:30.
Yeah, 8:30 AM.
It's morning. 8:30 in the morning.
It's 8:30 in the morning. Very good. Okay, how about 8:30 p.m.?
PM?
Yeah,
8:30 in the night or afternoon.
8:30 in
I
the
no,
evening. No, it's in the evening. It's
I
not
just
afternoon.
I just forgot.
Yeah, okay, it's alright.